All right, so 8.1 number 4. Now, this one's a little bit different. So normally I'm here, just acting natural, but I stand on the ground. But what if I was light as air? Not any less massive, but actually as light, if I could float. In order to float, I would have to be less dense than the air. So imagine me, if you will, ballooned out to be, so my mass just ballooned out so that I am now as light as air. What would be my volume? Volume would equal what? This marker is really bad. Volume would equal what? We're going to try to figure out how voluminous would I have to be as light as air without reducing my mass. So we're going right back to the problem we had before. I'm going to probably go with the brown because that works. Density is equal to mass over volume. But this time we're trying to solve for volume. Multiply both sides by V, which gets it off the denominator. And then divide both sides by density. And I get volume is equal to mass over density, right? Now, my mass is going to stay the same. So my mass of 108.9 kg, but I'll have the density of air. Air comes in at 1.29 kilograms per meter cubed. So, doing the math here, volume is equal to, what is it equal to? Well, I've got it, 84.4 meters cubed. Now, to give you an idea how much volume that is almost equal to the volume of the entire classroom. That's how much space I would have to take up in order for my mass to be spread out so much that it'd have the same density as air. And again, you'd have, now, by the way, does that mean I could have, lift myself up with a balloon full of helium that size? No, because the balloon would have weight, and actually, strange in the sense that helium also has weight. And so it would actually have to be bigger to lift up my body mass. This is why hot air balloons tend to be really, 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 really big. But that's how much mass. If I could just puff up, if I could turn myself into the balloon, that's how big I would have to be in order to be as light as air. It's pretty big, yes. But I'm happy on the ground.